Welcome to our guide on how to disable notifications for the recommendations board on Pinterest. If you're feeling overwhelmed by constant notifications, you're not alone. Many users find that these alerts can clutter their experience, making it difficult to enjoy the platform. Thankfully, Pinterest allows you to customize your notification settings easily. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, look for the Save section at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and then click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage various settings. Next, navigate to the Notifications section. You'll find this option listed among other settings related to your account. By tapping on it, you'll access a variety of notification settings that Pinterest offers. Now, focus on the section labeled Boards and Search. Here, you'll see an option called Boards you might like. This feature is designed to suggest boards based on your interests, but it can also lead to a barrage of notifications if left unchecked. To disable these notifications, simply click on Boards you might like. Once you're in this section, you'll notice a toggle switch for push notifications. This is where you can take control of those pesky alerts. Turn off the toggle to disable all push notifications related to recommendations and suggested boards. This step will significantly reduce the number of notifications you receive from Pinterest. Finally, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. With these adjustments, you should now experience a much quieter Pinterest environment, free from unnecessary interruptions. By following these straightforward steps, you can tailor your Pinterest experience to better suit your preferences. Enjoy exploring your boards without the distraction of constant notifications.